Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll see the answers from chapter 14, Plant Physiology of class 10th Science from Refresher Course Module book. First part, choose the correct answer. First one, the tropic movement that helps the climbing vines to find a suitable support is thigmotropism. Option C is the right answer. Second one, the chemical reaction occurs during photosynthesis is CO2 is reduced and water is oxidized. So option A is the right answer. Third one, the bending of root of a plant in response to water is called hydrotropism. Option C is the right answer. Fourth one, a growing seedling is kept in the dark room. A burning candle is placed near it for a few days. The tip part of the seedling bends towards the burning candle. This is an example of phototropism. Option C is the right answer. Fifth one, the non-directional movement of a plant part in response to temperature is called thermonasty. Option B is the right answer. Sixth one, chlorophyll in a leaf is required for photosynthesis. Option A is the right answer. Seventh one, transpiration takes place through stomata. So option D is the right answer. Part 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the shoot system grows upward in response to sunlight. Second one, dash is positively hydrotropic as well as positively geotropic, that is root. Next sub-question, third, the green pigment present in the plant is chlorophyll. Third one, the solar tracking of sunflower in accordance with the path of sun is due to photonasty. Photonasty. Fourth one, the response of a plant part towards gravity is geotropism. Geotropism. Fifth one, plants take in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis but need oxygen for their living. Next part, third part, answer very briefly. First one, what is nastic moment? Nastic movements are non-directional response of a plant or part of a plant to stimulus. Second one, name the plant part which bends in the direction of gravity but away from the light. Every one of us know that. That is root. Sub-question B, which bends towards light but away from the force of gravity. This one also easy, that is stem. Third one, differentiate phototropism from photonasty. Phototropism, movement of a plant part towards light. Example, shoot of a plant. Photonasty, movement of a part of a plant in response to light. Example, Taraxacum officinale, blooms in morning and closes in the evening. Fourth one, photosynthesis converts energy X into energy Y. X is light energy and Y is chemical energy. Chemical energy. Green plants are autotrophic in their mode of nutrition. Why? Because they produce food by their own with the help of photosynthesis. Next, question number 5. Define transpiration. The loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial parts of the plant body is called as transpiration. Sixth one, name the cell that surrounds the stoma. God cells. Thank you, students.